All right. So you ever thinking about joining OfferLab? Don't skip this video because when you join my link at offersnack.com, you unlock over $5,000 in our bonus vault, which is tools, templates, strategies, and systems I've built specifically to stack on top of OfferLab. This isn't some free gift little PDF. This is the vault I wish I had when I was starting from scratch. So I'm going to show you everything that's inside. Hopefully you can join us on the inside of OfferSnack. So I do want to give you a little bit of context. Back in 2020, I was doing everything right on paper. I had a 73-person sales team. I trained them, paid for everything, their apartments, bought them Segways, no joke, actual Segways zipping around for door-to-door sales. You know, it's predicted to make like $250,000. I was like trying my best to change the life of my family and stuff like that. And the world shut down. So COVID hit in 2020, and then within 48 hours, everything was gone. Like I was broke, my team disbanded. I had a newborn in one arm, and my wife crying in the kitchen. And all I could think was, man, I can't start over again without something real. So that was the huge push for me to finally do my real dream of like building an online business and working from home and being present, because I was working like 10 to 12 hours back then. Outside knocking doors, training. And I would come home like with my 1-year-old at the time. He's going 5 now, or he's going almost 6 now. It's crazy. So, and I would come home and I felt like I didn't even I missed everything. It was like really sad. And so like since then, like I've learned and grown and developed a lot of digital marketing skills, offer creation, copywriting, content creation. I've worked with a bunch of different AI companies now. I still work with repurpose.io every single day. And so I've been able to like cultivate a lot of knowledge, and I felt this overwhelming sensation for like 2 to 3 years to like really help people do it, but I didn't know how. I didn't know what offer to put together. Now that OfferLab came out, it was like the perfect thing because I could partner with OfferLab, help people join OfferLab through my link, and then I can build a lot of cool resources around that to help you guys create and to make money and to build your own offers and to promote other people's offers. So OfferLab is basically the key. So it gives you the platform, the product, the potential. Like most creators get stuck and they go from yes, I'm in, and to start staring at a blank screen. They're like, oh freak, like maybe this is harder than I thought, because they have to do funnels and like offer copy and strategy. And a lot of times it's like just an empty idea, and then that creates an empty bank account. And so a lot of I created this so to entice you to come to our community and to learn a lot, but also because it's what I wish I had like a long time ago. And so it's about getting someone who just joined OfferLab from idea to income without 37 tabs open and zero progress. And so if you're new to OfferLab, I did kind of want to break this down to you though, what it is. It's free to join. It's like a new platform. You can either promote a proven offer or create your own offers from scratch. So if you're an offer creator, you can throw your offers on there, whether it's digital or physical, and you can have a bunch of different affiliates promote that. And so it's like kind of like free traffic, and like super cool. And then also if you're an affiliate, like instead of trying to go all over the world and try to find really good offers, you can like look. And the cool thing about this is Russell Brunson's in charge of it, and he's like one big reason why I became a digital marketer. Like I learned from a lot of people, but he's one of, I would say, who's on Mount Rushmore for me. And so he does attract a lot of the best offer creators, probably because he taught a lot of them how to create offers. And so, but yeah, you can join for free. You don't need like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or all these monthly fees. It's really clean. Basically, to start, you kind of pick an offer, you connect your Stripe account, and you go live with the offer. So I mean, but the sad reality is, though, is a lot of people will do that and then just not do anything with it. So that's why we created this bonus vault. And so I do want to be honest with you, though. I bought so many courses that said just follow these steps. And then the step one was buy this other thing and get this other thing. And then also here's $5,000 like paid mentorship and all this stuff. Like that's none of this. This is completely free when you sign up. And then this is just to help you. It's like a beginner kit. So there are some veteran tools and stuff like that, but you can learn as you go, which is basically what I'm saying. So if you're sitting there thinking like, I don't know what to sell, I'm not ready, I'm not technical, like good, you're who I made this for. Like I said, I went through a lot of struggles myself, and I didn't need, like when I was in my lowest low, trying to figure out all this, provide for my family and learn all these skills. Like I didn't need another YouTube tutorial. I needed someone to say, hey, use this, it works. Or also someone to like bounce ideas off of. Like that's what our community is about. Okay. And so now I'm going to go through some of the bonuses that we have here. So like we have When you join, you'll get the viral OfferLab Success Kit, which we have like a Facebook posting writer. Get access to our 8-figure mentor. It's an AI bot they can talk to, and it's trained on over 2,000 trainings. Um, Learn how to get sales with AI. You get a go viral daily private training from Austin. You can clone our entire affiliate marketing business in 24 hours or less, which is amazing. It's like 300 pre-written emails. Again, this is something that I really wanted when I first began. And then also we get into some mindset stuff, because whether you like it or not, it's not sexy. I know that, but content creation, online digital marketing, creating a business online, there's a lot of stresses, a lot of things pulling you in all these different directions. And so a lot of people quit. And that's the number one factor into making this work, is to not give up 24/7. If you don't give up, you're not going to lose. So you can always add more things to your Batman belt buckle and become better. And so that's one thing. I partnered with one of my good friends, Suresh. Me and Suresh, I'll do a lot of the marketing training, and he'll do a lot of the mindset training. So all of this you'll get for just signing up and saying maybe, as Russell likes to say. So Suresh kind of, when you click on offersnack.com, you'll see Suresh kind of talk about that, though. But you literally click this button here, put in your email, take you to the next page. You can sign up for OfferLab. And then there are 2 upsells with an OfferLab. They're completely optional. One is $47, where you get like VIP trainings and stuff, which is really cool. I bought that myself. And then there's a $497 certification, which that there is going to be the most important thing. If you can, again, if you don't have the means, don't worry about it. But if you do want something to expedite, you're going to get a ton of bonuses from Russell. You're going to get a little bit increased commissions. And then also, what you'll see on the next page, I don't have it up right now, but anyone who buys that through our link, the $497 certification, you get an insane value from Russell. But then also, Suresh and I have 2 different coaching programs. One with the mindset, where group weekly in a group setting, you can go over restraints and things that are bottlenecks mentally, because a lot of times that's the issue. And then also with me, I can help audit your platform specifically, answer specific questions, and grow together as a unit. So it's 3 months of each of those programs. So we tried to bring a lot of value. And so again, completely optional, but we would love, if you're going to already buy it anyways, you might as well get coaching from 6-figure earners who can really help you, who's worked with multi-million-dollar companies and still work with them, and really want to help you succeed. So that's completely optional. But OfferLab just launched a little bit ago, so I'm not going to say that people are making $50,000, $100,000 already yet with it, but the potential is there. And I've used every one of these tools in the bonuses stack, swipe files, AI tools, frameworks. And so you can have confidence that these things work. Not only that, but I'm always in the trenches with you, trying to make things better. And so again, one more time, the things that you get for just signing up for OfferLab for free is funnels, swipe copy, ads training, AI mentor, affiliate system, scripts, mental clarity tools, access to us, and then also our community, where we want to be able to help each other, answer questions, not just be like join and ghost, but join and help, join and add. That's the tribe I really am looking for. So if that's you, like, I would love to have you there. And so if you're ready to build something that actually moves, and you're joining OfferLab anyway, don't do it empty-handed. Come join us. We'd love to have you on there. I'd love to be your friend, and as a friend, help you make money. And yeah, so that's the hard pitch. That's the super salesy pitch that I have for you. The super slime. Get all this free stuff. Come join it for free. If you have the means and you want to, get the certification like I did. I'm stoked for it, because they're still kind of building it, by the way. But that's all I have for you for this video. If you have more questions, like, I will say this. I've worked with now thousands of creators. I've gotten like tons of testimonials when I'm working for Repurpose, and then also for myself. And I'm not saying that to gloat. I'm saying that I would rather tell you the honest truth if you have questions. And I take pride, probably more than anything, to just say, if you do have real questions about stuff, about digital marketing, like, put them down in the comments, join my community and ask them, because there's so much garbage out in the world. So much garbage out in the world. And I'd rather shoot you straight forward saying like, hey, do you need this? Do you not? Is this mandatory? Is it not? What's the best way to success? It's this. But if you can't do this now, this is the second best option. So anyways, long story short, I got you. Put down questions down below. I'd love to see you. And if nothing else, just check out this video, because that's what YouTube thinks you'll like next. See you in the next one.